How to hide following list on TikTok. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to hide the following list on TikTok. First, launch the TikTok mobile application. This is the homepage of the app. After that, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your TikTok account. Here, there are various options that you can use to navigate to different areas of your account. From the options that are here, make sure you tap on the menu option. It is this option with the hamburger symbol. A menu pops up from the bottom of the page, as you can see here. The menu has several options. From those options, the one we need is this one here, named Settings and Privacy. This is the Settings and Privacy page of TikTok. On this page, some options can help you manage and make changes to the privacy settings of your account. From them, tap this one here named Privacy. You will be taken to this page where there are more privacy options, as you can see here. Next, scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. Come to this part of the page and tap here, Following List. As you can see here, my following list is set to everyone. This means everyone on TikTok can view my following list. Below the option, there is another option named Only Me. Make sure you tap on this option here named Only Me. This will in turn ensure you are the only one who can see your following list and no one else can. The process is that simple. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks, that is how to hide the following list on TikTok.